talo pisi ai ha John e whakatau. Kai ake e kua nene. Ai, o hake whai ki whale ke kai e. I've been for a while.
Come sit down.
Nice surprise. This is Stephen's family.
Aloha to Mako. Finally made it onto the boat. Happy birthday, bro.
Thank you, man.
How's the food?
Good experience being on the cruise.
Yep.
It's round 2 for lunch. Round 2.
Yeah. We're going to the savory area.
Yeah, I think it's the Carvery. Get some steak.
Yeah. Gonna ask, can I get a kg of beef, please? Yeah.
Bro, watch out, bro. There's Palivals close to the bed, say.
Food from beef. Ooh. As you can see, it's packed in here. It's packed. Oh, look at that steak. Sheesh. Fruit. This is some of the food. Looks like there's a bit of a line for the beef. Everyone's waiting for beef. A lot of beef eaters. How you been, Dave? How you liking it so far?
So far, good.
Yeah?
Fishing, yeah.
Mitaki. Yeah, the boat hasn't even left and we're just having a munch. Everyone's someone's hungry, he only had a taste. So he's going for round 2. We're all waiting. We got our bags, it's pretty well run. It's almost like you're flying to another country. They got customs, bag check your passport, all that stuff. If this is like your first time, it's pretty overwhelming at the start. But yeah, so hopefully on the last day we'll be professionals. But check this meat out. Brother, I just wanna... Man, I was meant to get half a kg of beef. I only got 100 grams. Whakalofa to Mako. We're just waiting for everyone to check in before we can leave. We're just chilling here on level 6. Man, if you look around, it's packed.
Yeah.
I think these people over there are trying to book a dinner or something? These people there, reservations. You look around, everyone. There's a lot of lost looking people here. I think there's a lot of people their first time.
There's a couple more people coming. So
Yeah. We saw Steph, we saw Warma, Sifa.
haven't seen my parents yet. Just they should come, but
Yeah.
just absolutely come.
Yeah, we ate at the pantry.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, pantry was alright. Heaps of steak. Beef was a little bit dry. Got to work on that. And the fish and chips. The fish was a bit, lots of batter, not much. It was a bit not that great, but the cake station was cool. And yeah, I think I'll try the Indian food the next round.
Just see what it looks like. I don't know.
Yeah, but it's makalili outside. I think it's like 11 degrees, but inside it's warm. So we're just waiting to gather for everyone. And then it's Hayden's birthday, so we're gonna have a dinner tonight and a cake.
Yeah.
Okay, koi kia. Koi. Kalfatu. Ko mo te vita I whale whawhawsino ke langa ke mamafa. Yeah, there were too many. What was that, Dave? We had lifting weights, pumping iron. Yeah, too many tangata kauna I whafo ke. Lots of people outside having a good time. The music was pumping, so we decided to hit the gyms.
Just for weights.
Yeah, pump some weights. Change of atmosphere. It's getting a bit too rowdy out there. Because we don't want to get rowdy, otherwise it's going to be a problem for us. So we're just having a bit of a workout before we... Look at those pythons. training a bit of shoulders and arms before we go hit the Hayden's birthday dinner.
Just for the hifu.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Fitu. Fitu, yeah.
Yep.
But that's another day, our mum's birthday, her 70th, so another day, Fitu Ngufulu. So yeah, we better get back into the weights. This is what we would say, this is what we're doing, this is the weights room. Got the heavy, or we're just touching the, that's our weights down there. Okay, whakaoe Dave. Oh yeah, pukia. Yeah, here we go. Just pumping up. Look at these guns. Just getting the guns ready for dinner. Preload. Whakalofa to Mako. It's day 2. We're in the morning before breakfast. Got Brother Gus here. Brother Gus. And the boys, Christian and Hayden. And my gymnast. How are you finding us so far, Gus?
Oh man, nice.
Yeah.
Some nice food. But you gotta burn it in the morning.
Yeah, Gus was here at 5 in the morning. Yeah. Right here. Oh, sweet. So yeah, we're all having a good workout now. We'll start the day on a win. Arcade. This is on level 8, so good place to bring the kids, but expensive. So yeah, all good. After this, we just had lunch, man. So we'll just come here for some time out, and then maybe go back in the pool. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. Busy, action-packed. Apollo. Whakalofa to Mako. Welcome back. We're having the dinner for my mum's birthday today at a place called Angelo's. We all got dressed up, got our blazers on and leather jackets. Everyone's looking pretty sharp. So it's starting to get warmer. I think we're getting closer to Fiji, so now the temperature's heating up. It's been a good day, lots of swimming, eating. And we saw the brother Dulce do Lolongo karaoke at the bars, so I think he's having a good time. So now it's 7:15 and kamate kai afi afi e hola awhawhitu. So we're just waiting here before we go in. But yeah, so that's us. Got my fofo ready. My fofo that I made at the. This is what I made at the Mumui tour. Goes with the blue shirt. And we got Ariana's one. Nice purple. Ulawala. So we're ready to go. Okay. Whakaoe, we'll catch up.
And that's what we're on a cruise ship.
Yeah. Okay. You want to say something, Andy?
Happy birthday, Molly.
Yes.
And I hope you have a great day and you're the best. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, share the shirts. Yeah, it's the shirt.
Wait, it's merch. And
Grandma?
yeah, Grandma. Thank you for happy birthday. Yeah, thank you.
Whakaoe. Whaikupu.
Whakawhaleatu. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Mum. Happy 70th. And hope you are enjoying your trip. It's lots of fun and looking forward to a few more days of celebrating in Fiji and having an awesome time. So we'll see you soon for your birthday dinner. Yeah, whakaoe.
Dan, any happy birthday wishes?
Oh yeah, happy birthday Mali. Thanks for having us. Thanks for bringing us all on the cruise. It's been awesome. You want to say anything?
Hello, Nana. Happy birthday.
Anything for Nana? Any words for Nana?
Happy birthday, Nana. 70, that's a big milestone. And I hope you have a good day on the dinner and a good day, a good week on the cruise. Whakaola.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you had a good birthday. We've been really glad that you've been able to last this long and that you are still here with us. I just hope that you have a good week on the cruise and that you will keep going. And yeah, thank you.
Is that the menu? Oh, thank you. What's the best thing to get here, sir? What's the best thing? Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, man. Thank you. Whai kupu.
No, this is amazing.
Happy birthday wishes.
Yes, once again, I'm from our mum. This is an amazing place. We're all here. You can see we're wearing our matching shirts to celebrate your 70th, so I hope you're happy and enjoy the rest of the trip.
Whakaoi.
Instead of fixing my teeth, we got a cruise ticket to come and celebrate your birthday to Fiji. Whakaoi lahi. You're welcome.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you have a good rest of your week on the cruise. And see you guys when we touch down in Fiji. Yep.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you have a good one.
Johnny, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Anytime yours. Hannah, you want to say something?
Lily.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nice.
Birthday, Marley. We're having an awesome time on your birthday cruise. And yeah, thank you for being a great grandparents to our kids. And we love you very much.
Big thanks to my go. Hope you enjoy your memories, hopes, dreams, Molly. I love you so much, Mum, and you're my third grandma. We should come to Dad. So, say Baba! She! Happy birthday. So, subscribe to John's channel.
Whakaoi. Happy birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you have a good day. That's
Whakaoi. Juliana.
Happy 70th birthday. I hope you enjoy your special day today and yeah.
Whakaoi. Birthday wishes, Jordan.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Hope you enjoy your trip.
Whakaoi. Kingston.
Happy 70th birthday, Nana. Hope you enjoy the cruise. And thanks for the invite. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you enjoy your trip.
We're
just getting to sit down, man.
After tomorrow.
Hey, look at the sign. Bro, the sign looks mean, man. Happy 70th celebration. Here on the boat. Love it. Shirts look good, man. Shirts look good. Arms look good. Shirts look good, man. Shoulders look good. Happy birthday. Lucky we came on this cruise, man, because it was 50-50. But cruise is awesome. Awesome. Day 2, good so far. More to come.
Oi lahi ko whare vea honai. Whaka murina moe. Whaka whia e a whanau he matu whiwhine. Kua tūhana whitu fūri tau tau. A oni a me. Reina wapare atu. Oi lahi he tau whanau. Kua whaka mawhaupo moe whakatahai. Ke watai moe whia. Whia whinai. Kua tōro he tonga ne o ki fishing. Hoko rata tōra pōmi ko okay. Ua jay he mo ana ro ke. Feel do he mo. Ai to free ni ha ka ho. Física emozione. Fala.
Siapa? Oi.
Kalau pelahia juga tahu terus sih kau yang tua, main di Plebeia, pegawai lah yang tu mereka tahu fanau, ini mereka tahu fanau tapi sih tahu sih senang ane di umai ke mana tu fikir pun mereka tahu apa yang boleh, ke apa ini nama yang tua, tu sih tahu fanau, ke tu mau ke kepisingan, mau mungkin lah tahu mau ham tu, ini nama foki gau, ini mau bene. Porque me llamó el vecino malo no. Pito ko fuwe ha ko tau, mo fuwe tau ke para tahai na maua. Kawelahi.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Nana. So good to be a part of your birthday celebration, and it's really cool that we get to celebrate it here all together at the cruise. We've never done anything like this, so it's a huge blessing, and I hope that you enjoy your birthday. Pagawalahi.
Hey, Whakalapatu, Mom, happy 70th birthday. Thank you for bringing us on this cruise. We love you and we thank you for everything that you've done over the past 70 years for us. We love you so much. We love you, Mom. Thank you for everything and enjoy your cruise. It's all about you.
Gus, some happy wishes for Mom.
Oh, yes, happy birthday, Money. It's been a great journey today, and all because of you. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Mom. Wish you all the best. God bless you with many more years. You and Dad, and I hope you enjoy that cruise. Pakawelahi, unuina
Eden.
Happy birthday.
Anything else? Thank you, Paul. Any happy birthday wishes for Grandma?
Hope you have a good birthday and yeah.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Thank you for having the choice, thinking of the choice of coming on the cruise. I'm so happy, but I hope you have a great rest of the cruise, and I wish you all the best. I love you, and yeah, thank you for looking after me.
Right?
All my life.
And ice cream?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Fefe?
Hi.
Fefe.
Keke mai he cruise, he P&O Explorer.
Ai.
Kawelahi.
Keke mai tayo.
E ua ne mala tahe kengi ka veni ke tahe ke kayo.
Wani te mau.
Aia.
Aia. Kawelahi.
Day 3. This is the sunrise. And I'm here with my gym buddy. Whakalawhatu Macau. This is day 4 now, I think, and we're here at the waterfront. This is another free restaurant. Most of the stuff on the menu is free, but you can pay for some stuff. Got the bro here. Got Faith here. Sup, the athlete. Got Stephen there.
The VIP section right here. What can I answer? Like, I
Bro, you got your competition in 2 weeks?
Yeah, looking sharp, looking sharp.
Sharp. Yeah, sharp.
Yeah.
How's the experience been so far on the cruise?
That's good, that's good.
Highlights?
See, on this cruise, there's a lot of balance because the boat is going like this, so it's perfect for karate training. Perfect for karate. The gym's nice too. The gym's nice, and the ice bath in the morning. The pool's really cold, man. The pool's really cold, but it's good. It's good. Have you seen this already? Like, one thing I noticed, the value for money coming on this cruise, man. It's like it's banging, it's banging. Yeah. So it's yeah, so it's really good value, man. We'll definitely do it again. Yeah, encourage everyone if you're watching this, go on a cruise. Take sea legs if you're seasick. Yo, we're in now. Yeah.
Oh, well, this is my first day of actually experiencing the boat because I've been in my bed for the past 2 days.
It's actually day 3.
Yeah, it's actually day 3. This is my day 1, but it's been really good. It's been really fun seeing everyone on all different floors because there's so many of us.
Yo.
Yeah, it's been good. Time for try.
Indeed, this is the buffalo wings. You want to taste?
Whakalofa Makau. We're having dinner now. Kai Afi Afi. O Mautolo I Tolu Fitu. Tolu Mafulu Mafitu. Mawhawa Ato Tolu. Ke kai Kamate Hafa Fitu. So whakatali a Mautolo ke kai Ei la hoko matau fine. Si ya puke fale. Si kohingo fale ko Dragon Lady. Some peeps, we're at our next restaurant. 37 of us in here. It's called the Asian Dragon Lady, which is Asian type food. Here's the menu. This is the type of food. It's Asian type food. So we'll see how it tastes. Pork fried rice, chicken chow mein. So yeah, it's been an action-packed day. Lots of people. We got island night tonight. That's why we all dressed in our island shirts. Yeah, weather's starting to mafana. You know, I know it's cold back in Auckland, but over here it's mafana. We just come out of the pool. 6 o'clock at night we were swimming, so we're all enjoying ourselves. Just waiting for our food. Now we just got here. Okay. If I can, I'll try and get some videos of the food. If not, we'll see you tomorrow when we arrive in Jogwini Island. Okay. Ke monuina. This is day 5 now. We're on our way to Jogwini Island. There's the guy driving the boat. Very rocky. You can see everyone's shaking. We haven't even left yet, so hopefully we don't sink. We'll see you when we get to the island. Whakalofa atu Makau, Hokoteo Motolu ki Travuni Island. Made it to the island. This is the primary school just behind me. It's crazy. You got fresh coconut. You got just people doing stuff. This is what it looks like. It feels kind of remote, kind of villagey, and feels good. This is gonna get cheeky. $5 I can have for the coconut. Here comes Peter Andre.
I just won $10 of Fiji money. I got 40. And I don't have a bank.
Hey Dave, how's the water?
It's good.
Yeah.
Nice. It's really nice. Just very nice too.
We got the music playing. We got Lani, Jackson, Indigo, Juliana, Liam, Penga. We got the Missy, Kingston. Yeah, there they are. Yee! Got the local over there, Gus.
Kingston, put your hands up, Kingston. Put your hands up first.
Alright, and that's what we're doing. Got Jordan's music playing.
I don't think that! I don't think that!
Oh. We got Hayden going back in.
Zoom out. 6 months time.
It's Stephanie and Missy having a boat ride. You can see $10 a ride. There you go, Missy with the white hat and Steph. Are we going?
Can I touch it there?
Huh? Wow, look at Kailani's here. Whoa. She got braids from Javuni. Woohoo! Nice. Whakaalawhaki makau. Oko te ki Lautoka. I forgot what day it is today. But man, look, check this out. Pelevea Mautolo I Hola Hafa Hiva. So we just arrived to Lautoka. We're just gonna catch up at 9:30. What's up guys? These guys are in Lautoka. It's very, very hot. Look at the Crocs. This is the bottom. Looks like it's just been tar sealed. Or something's happening. Yeah.
Mine's all toughened.
How's your trip been so far?
Mine used to be white.
Yeah.
It turned all black.
This boss photographer. Yeah. And taxis. This is Lautoka Port. So got security here. Hey, we're in Lautoka City now. We got Gus. Good having Gus and the boys.
Good to be here.
Yeah.
Look, McDonald's.
First McDonald's for Lautoka.
That looks nice.
Yeah. It's pretty hot back here. We came out by ourselves, me and Danielle and the kids, and we felt a bit lost. So we went back on the boat and as we saw the expert. Feel better now?
There's a big
The chief.
The chief
Lautoka.
Descendant of
of the Cannibals.
Listen out for the drum guys, we're coming.
Nah, all good. It's nice and warm here. Hopefully to buy some stuff in Lautoka.
Yeah. How about you, Atu? How's your trip going?
Far, so hot.
Yeah?
Yeah. Soon after this, I'm gonna be black. That's my birthday tomorrow.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna have a very good one.
Yes.
Yeah. been a pretty good trip so far. We've
Yep.
gone to our islands, Joravuni, and I think tomorrow we're gonna go to Sue. Yeah. Bye bye.
Motherfucker.
Look, go inside the store, it's very like cold.
I can feel it already. We got Jacks. Ooh. Sail, eh? We just got back past Jacks. We got Teppo City. We got Fullerman. Teppo City. Teppo City has duty-free type stuff. Yeah. And I don't know, but Liam and Ati's been here before. So we're just seeing what's what. It's getting pretty heated. Oh, they got Lotus over here too. Lotus.
Exchange your stuff into like.
Oh, closed. Yeah, so this is Lautoka's main city. Got Just Jeans still going. Looks like. Hey, Katoso. Sabla. Sorry, cuz. Gonna change. Baby Jacks. Alright, we made it to the markets. It's crazy. You look like cassavas. Sorry. Oh, nice.
Most of the fruits are like in the center.
Oh, yeah.
There's a fish market as well.
Fish market?
Yeah. Somewhere, but I forgot.
Oh, here we go.
No, this is Johnny.
What's that? Oh, yeah. Ooh, cassava. Look at that. Look how much you get for $10.
That's watermelon.
Was that watermelon?
Yeah, we're a million. Watermelon. Yeah,
Got all these fresh fruits. Oh, banana. Fresh banana, fresh pineapple. Oh man, I feel bad with my notes. Man, it's nice in here. I just gotta break up my notes because it's embarrassing too much. This is awesome, man. Lautoka. We're just going through. It's so busy. We got a mix of locals and tourists. It's packed. So just trying to fall in line. Falling in line. Sorry, boss. Got everyone here. Look at this produce, man. $2. New Zealand is like $6. Oh, look at that, man. Looks so. Oh, shucks, that looks good. Durian?
Yeah.
Do they have durian here, Gus?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh. We're in the supermarket now. Open up. Oh, okay. Just looking for some ice blocks for the kids. Look at this. $8 for one of those. $10 for the Whitakers. Liam, bro, you want an ice block, ice cream, or whatever you want, drink. Say lime juice.
Nambil. 50 cents.
Pakalofatu. Bula. We just arrived to Gus's brother's house. Edie. He's preparing a lovo. It's like over lovo is a umu. We're outside. And yeah, we just lunch. Kamate kai lai hola hongfulu mataha. Watakitaki. Oh, what do we have here, Gus?
Some
Look at
tank juice.
Tank juice.
Yeah.
Oh, what's
tank
it?
juice? Fiji tank juice. Just like mix fruits.
Oh, this is what we will. Papaya, watermelon. Who wants to try? Dan? This is stuff I wanted, not that lime juice.
Yeah.
This is the real stuff. That's
There was
alright.
a different lime juice.
There was a.
Very sweet lime.
Andy, here, bring me your cup. Just don't waste the stuff. Yeah. Let's have a taste. I'm gonna have a juice. Dan,
I want some.
you want some?
Yeah. It's
Been for a while.
Come sit down here, buddy.
What's this, Gus? What is this? It's a sabu-sabu. Sabu-sabu.
Now I've been
Thank you.
necklace with the leaders group.
Oh.
Necklace. Improve the event. We are now at where are we go?
Nandi.
We're at Nandi. Yes, at Gus' brother and his wife, and this is their gift to us for
Wow.
our birthday, Eddie.
Wow.
For 70th, and for him for his 71st birthday. Yeah, and this is
Wow. What is this, Eddie? What is that?
This is Galan Salu.
Oh, garland.
Salu. Yeah.
Jeez.
This is a high chief.
Pagkawe, o tō tahe mela e hau nei hoko mai a mautolu ki Nandi, ki kaina he mawhawa ha Gus, ki he me o mai te whakakū to ririu ke mau e tonga. Aia, lama, inu, whia inu, you wanna bring?
Hey, ko hingo e ka hoa hao?
Ko e ka hoa nei, kua whakawhowhau ki he tau tangata whisiau, ke pehe ko e tagita ki he maka whaoa ni o moi he tong. Motu kondisiwa, o moi he wakarere,
It's a
Neuri, o moi he pasi ki he kaina nei. Aia, ko e ka hoa he whakawhowhau ke koe eo. Ko e pehe ko e tagita ki he matakau ni o moi. Wei, aia, Steven, you wanna drink cover?
Hey, Bolominaka, Yandra. Man, it feels good to be in Suva.
Nandi.
Oh, Nandi. Cut. Yeah, it's good to be in. No, man, we went up to Lautoka, then come down to Nandi to visit Gus's brother. Eddie's working here, so good to be with the family, exploring. We were in the taxi. There was about 5 taxis coming across us. It's nice, you know. You can barter a little bit, but man, the people of Fiji very hospitable. Yeah, you know, and enjoying some of the classics of Fiji Gold. Yeah, man. It's been a good trip so far. Nice and warm. Lots of fruit trees, mango trees, coconuts. Yeah, just nice. So this is day 2 in Fiji. It's really good, really good. Yeah. Hinaka.
There's lots of a go. Oh man, this is awesome. Good to hear. For Russ and support. That was awesome. Cheers. Cheers to everyone. Cheers.
Whakaoe.
Peace Sambula, and thank you everybody for coming over to Gus's family's house, and thank you to Gus's family for hosting us today. We're looking forward to Lopo, and Mum and Dad look like they're settled in. It's hot here in Nandi, so hot here in Nandi, but we're having fun. So, winaka.
Whakaoe. Hang on, thank you. Whai kupu.
Already, I bought some products.
Hey, fia.
This is only $20 each, Wild Orchid body lotion, because it smells very good. But anyway, Bolominaka, we made it!
Bolominaka, it's very bright and a nice cold drink.
Do you know what? I think
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Juliana, any words?
Hola.
Hola. Aia, mongonei, fuke e umu. Longa tau tangata e mai ke lango matai ke fuke. Lango matai Dan mo Hayden mo Eddie.
Whoa. Cruise.
Yes, yeah. Fun. You right, Dave?
What's that?
Let's record. This is a umu.
What's this?
This is a umu. There's food in there.
What's that?
This is called a umu. Or lovo. Called a lovo. See? Just taking off the sack. You never seen this before, eh, Dave? It smells nice. It smells nice. It tastes good. It's gonna taste good. Can see the smiling faces already.
Hey, Mr.
Okay, cool. What do you got to say, Dave?
Well, for here, got the food here. It's gonna be uncovered. But thank you, Auntie. Hope you have an awesome day.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Manongi.
Over.
Yum. So just got some palusami there. Not sure what's in the bags. Smells very good. Oh, got the palusamis. Bags of got milk cartons. It looks like.
Pudding.
Pudding. Oh. Cooking even pudding in here.
Zero.
Oh. There's talo.
Yeah. Talo.
Gee. Talo. Yeah, give it to Liam. Give it to Liam. Liam knows where to take it. Dave, it's alright. Come. Mate, it's very hot. Yeah. Yeah. You want to say something? Come stand here so I can. Yeah, good. Yeah, good.
For free here?
Yeah. Umu. The umu. The more chicken Dave. This is the original KFC.
Come out like that, eh?
Yeah. Hang on, my dad.
Yeah. Look at all this more. Oh, more.
Tao umu quế. Khi đi cái đồ lâu như thì tao ấy lo thùng, tao ta hay có mò có mặc pan làm gì? Ai, oh hai cái chỉ pan cái cái.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Oh man. My fishy. Yeah, I'll do one. Yeah. Oh, got a long line here. Waiting for the food. Manomi hai taukai.
This was the pantry.
Yes, we're in the Fiji pantry. We're gonna try the island experience. Yeah, as you saw, we just got the food out. So now we're just waiting. Everyone's quiet because they know the food smells good. Can't wait. Can't wait, can't wait. Elijah and Liam, ready to eat. Hungry? Alright. Yeah, thanks, Steve. Oh, you?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'll go after you. Ready to eat, Kingston?
Can't wait. It smells pretty good.
Yep. Can't wait. This is what the kids got.
22, 23, 24, 25.
How's it taste, Jackson? That's all he's got to say. There's the parmesan here. Chicken got smashed.
The lime.
Lime.
The lime, there's no lime in the shell. That's
Tauka.
chops galore.
Oh, sorry. Yo.
Welcome everyone. We are now at supermarket in Suva. The fruit market. Wow, there's a lot of us from the boat are here. So yeah, job for Hukifa Vita.
Pakalofa tu makau hokotea motolo ki Suva.
Makese ai.
Makese ya.
Ai for Hukifa.
Wow, piha.
For Hukifa. Ai loa wai fihe tau.
Oh, tolu.
Tole dala.
Tolu tala.
Oh, hai do meleng. Oh, tole dala for Hukifa.
Ya. Mana kau ke kai fuoloku. Fuoloku mo taufusi.
Oi, vai ke kai Hukifa.
Ya, fuoloku. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Dave, how are you liking it so far, Dave?
Really good. The market's nice here.
Yeah.
Just the food here. Just
Nice. Nice. Hey, eat it. Hey, we made it. What that was in the house.
Okay, come and follow.
Oh, we got the up the was.
Man, look at the produce. Beautiful. The watermelons. Man, in the Suva market. Gosh.
What are you looking for, bro?
Look, there was some flavored pineapple. Look pretty nice. $2 a bag. So in my price range. $2. Ooh. That's breadfruit too. It's pretty good, man. See those $3 watermelons? Those are local prices. Good cucumbers.
If I see anything seafood, bro, just point me in that direction. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Nah, it was cooked though. It was cooked. Oh, Lily. Hey, bro.
Yep, so got the bro here, he's on a hunger search.
Yes. Wait, just the produce. The market is good. We all came as a big family.
Yeah.
So we just all go together. No one's left behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, okay. Find some.
See, these are calamansi, limes. Good morning.
Dry it up. So this is kava,
Kava, yeah.
And the kava.
Kava.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like taro. That looks like taro.
Yeah, that is talo siap. Like taro.
Oh. Pakalafatu. Ko mo matutane haku. Pakatali ki matufine. Fialoto ke o ke whakatau e tau fua niu. What's that word for coconut oil? Lolo niu. Lolo niu. I makese. So we're just waiting here that we're gonna catch a taxi to the old man's house. I think he's going to look for somewhere to sit. This is mamahi e tuli. So here we are. Just waiting. Everyone else has branched off. That's one of the tricky parts of having a big group. Everyone just splits up and you can hear just beep and beep and beep. Busy. It's a Monday afternoon. What's the time? On full. So yeah, we're just waiting now. I'm feeling a bit rocky. We're on land, but my body's swaying. Feels like seasickness. Yep, so here, this is what it looks like. See that? Everyone's busy. This is Tapu City in Suva. A lot of big buildings, a lot of high rises. So yeah, it's not that hot. And we got until 3 o'clock before we got to be back to the boat. So yeah, Suva. Yeah, it's pretty busy. Okay, we'll fill it here. All right, now we're in MHCC. We're in MHCC. Danielle reckons this is kind of like Lotus in Thailand, but it's got aircon, so it's a bit more lively in here. It's nice. We've got Liam with us. He's got his Thai t-shirt on, the Niue colours. That's Liam. He's got his cool tits up. So we're just checking out Fiji, MHCC. Alright, okay. Wanna go look around? Alright. Okay. So we're just passing the CWM hospital where the Taki whanau of Taki here. Hi Chief.
Mention the year
Taki, yeah, the year 1953, June. That's the CWM hospital.
This is the medical center. YouTuber, so he always puts things on YouTube. Okay. Yeah, so good. Don't. Yeah, you look like blood strong there.
Yeah. Good looking blood, eh? Good looking blood.
Nice surprise.
This is Stephen's family in Milverton, Suva. This is Sophie and Winnie. How are you related to?
Our mothers are sisters.
Okay.
Oh.
Mom is the eldest and Auntie Wanda is the youngest. Yeah, and I'm called after Auntie Wanda.
Okay. So, Stephen is your
first cousin.
Which is like a nephew, right?
No, we're like
cousins.
Cousins. First cousin.
Okay. Yeah.
In the Fijian custom, he's our brother.
Oh,
brother
and sister.
Dad, how do you feel? Must be great.
Very, very surprised, stunned. I don't know what to say. It's like the last time we ever see.
Yes, be strong. We will meet again, eh?
Yeah.
It's our turn now to come over, eh?
Yeah. Overdue.
Auntie, long overdue. Well, we have to start fundraising. Wait. Show clear and there. Yeah. Should have a whole family should have a reunion.
Yeah, the whole family should have a reunion night. Yeah. But thank you. Yes.
Thank you
for the surprise. Thanks for the story.
Okay, we're just heading up here to the outside of USB. There's USB over there, past that bus. And inside there is USP. Yes, this is where me and Christian went. This is the entry here. And there's a big campus behind this horse there. There it is. Right inside there.
Lokala campus.
Yes. It's Lokala campus. Lovala campus. Are you recording it?
Yeah.
This is where Gus's dad used to work. That's the main police station there.
Police station?
Oh, yeah. The
Suva.
main Suva police
Is it still
headquarters.
operating? Or?
Yeah. Oh, here it is.
That's where Gus's dad used to go.
Yeah.
Is he tall?
Really tall like Jeff.
Whakaalofa atu makau o mautolu, whakatau e tau kai moana.
Koe limu tahi e. Koe seaweed, koe limu tahi.
That's limu.
Limu e. What
Oh.
This one. What about which one? That's lama.
What this? Koe limu?
Limu.
Hai, koe limu e. Ita tai me limu niwe.
That's a raw one. This is a cooked one.
Oh, our limu niwe is like this, but it's green.
Oh, okay. You're from Tonga?
No, from Niue. We came on a boat. I think that'll be enough. Yeah.
Eh?
Nice.
Yeah. We had the raw fish. The raw fish was good. And now we're eating the nge, which is a clam.
Oh, and this is the feke.
Big massive feke.
Wow. Koe lahi hai e feke.
So,
Koe hele patu ko he tau wala nge ke kaya maua.
yeah.
Hai one da la he tahe.
Ona pala. First meal of the day.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hele dei. Kai pe maua. Tuk mai mana tau hai.
Alright, now we've got the Fiji experience here. Got the chauffeur here, the security. And
He's checking if you'll be okay. Talo pisi ai ha John e whakatau. Kai aki e kua nge. Nice. Ai mà lên. Ấy ạ. Mà biết đến đây. Mà con kiểm tra cái sao?
yeah. Whakaalofa atu makau. We are now in the port of Suva. You can see the boat behind us. We're just traveling around looking at these little markets by the port.
Pulaminaka from the port of Suva Bay. We're heading towards the handicraft place. Yes. There's a lot here you can see. Yeah, we're at Suva Bay and we're just gonna go and check out on the handicraft center.
New Zealand.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Sorry, brother. Sorry. Sorry, boss.
So there's a lot of
Andy, what are you buying?
I want black.
Come on, man. The boat's gonna leave in 2 seconds. Gotta be quick.
No. No. Just leaving in 3 hours. Actually, I want the white one.
You want the white shirt? Are you sure? Next one.
Make up everybody now.
Whakalawhalahi atu, we're here for Atu's birthday. How old are you?
Atu's Gorondo.
Oh, homofulu mataha e tau ha atu he au nei. So mai matoro e ke kai he waterfront. Level 5 we P&O Explorer Cruise Boat. Kau e lahi, manako a atu ke lolomo e takao po hivi he kau se kai. Kamat? Yeah, yeah. O pene he tua kai ma atu ko ke atu e sino malolo me lo matawa e. Me malolo e sino hao.
How are you feeling, Atu?
Feeling pretty good. I'm just happy that Nana gave a choice to come on this cruise. I'd like to thank my dad for bringing us to his islands inside of Fiji, and I'd like to thank everyone for coming to my birthday. Yeah.
Any words, Liam? for your brother?
Birthday out to you. I hope you have a good day today. Thanks for being a brother to me. And
Good.
I'd like to say happy birthday out to you. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you for the dinner.
Happy birthday out to you. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a great birthday and that you grow up to be nice. Good boy.
Nice. Boy.
Kalau ya tu kem tu rosi ko mama tamai ke video nei ke ma nei ko mo tu he tonga he wafo lo he piano cruise mo nei ito we ma nei wa o mai mo tu ke he restaurant nei he lo te tonga ke Kai fia ha tu tu ai fia tu hong fuma ta hai tau tau a tu nei sa tu benau
No, atu nei sa Jeremia.
ye a tu nei sa Jeremiah ai tam kwat ai a tu tu hong ma ta hai tha tau tau mui ke mam hao nei Kau ke matu helai ni ha ko le ke angi dia ha na mui as ho ko mo ye ke ma nei o le tu ke ia thank you o le tu ke ia ke ha ni to tonu mo o ma e ta mo matua mo ha na ma ka fa ka to o ni to to le puli ko nai to mo e ha na hi mo to pu o le tu ai amen
Amen.
Hi, Whakawhatu John, and thank you so much for taking the video footage and for celebrating Atu's birthday today. We're very, very blessed to have a son like Atu, so loving, kind and generous. I think you heard the story about this morning, what happened when he was given lots of money for his birthday, and he decided to give $50 to a homeless man that he saw on the street. So Atu is named after, Atu has chosen to follow the way of St. Vincent de Paul. So we're not surprised about him. We're so lucky to have someone like him. But on the snows, it's been fantastic. It's been amazing. We're in Suva all day today, and it's just been an incredible day. And today we're all here to celebrate his dinner at the waterfront, and we're having a great time. We're very, very happy, very, very blessed. Love you, Atu, and keep being yourself. God bless you, and keep you always. Love you, son.
We work for Hula. Happy birthday, Atu. Love you, son. Enjoy your night, and God bless you.
Hey, do you want to say anything?
Mula Vinaka, Atu Naisa, happy birthday. Thank you for being awesome family, and have a wonderful day and all the best. Go it.
Sandy, you want to?
Mula Vinaka, Atu, happy birthday. Hope you've enjoyed your holiday here in Fiji with all the family here to celebrate with you as well.
Go it. Juliana.
Happy birthday, Atu. I hope you have a good birthday and enjoy with your family.
Molina, whāwhano hao ma Atu, hao, ang kumataha, ang kumataha tō whanau.
Hannah, did you want to say something?
Happy birthday, and we love you very much.
Okay, well.
Happy birthday, Atu. I hope you have a nice day. And I hope you enjoyed your day. And you're really a nice cousin, and you're really funny with the face. And yeah, thank you. Happy birthday.
Mama Renee, Atu, happy birthday. I hope you have a blessed day. And thank you for always being nice and checking up on us. And happy birthday.
Jackson, any wishes?
I hope you have a good birthday.
Atu, birthday. Thank you for inviting us to this nice restaurant and paying for all our bills. I'm really gonna enjoy tonight's meal, and yeah, all the best for your birthday.
Bye, Kupu.
Happy birthday! Atu, yeah, we're singing right now, celebration! Happy birthday, wish you all the best, love you heaps!
Oh, Faith, did you want to say something?
Happy birthday, Atu! Thank you! Okay, let me sing it. I've been dancing singer for you. I was trying. Anyways, happy birthday! Hope you enjoy your birthday and really cool that we can celebrate here on the cruise with all our family. It's a blessing, but yeah, happy birthday!
No.
So happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Atu. Happy birthday.
I'd like to thank everyone for coming and for Nana for having the choice to come on this cruise. And I'd like to thank my dad for bringing us to Fiji and taking us around. God bless all of you. And I love you all. Thank you so much for coming. And Mom, thank you for the $100. And thank you for the people who gave me presents. And yeah, that's all I have to say. God bless all of you. Have a good night.
Akalo Fatima Ko, this is Tuesday. We're here at the Explorer waiting for Ariana to perform. Faith, she's going to do karaoke. We've got all the supporters.
Good luck, Faith.
Any words for Faith?
Good luck, Faith. Good luck, Mama.
Good luck, everyone. Yay, good Faith. So far, we've got Mom and Dad over around the corner there somewhere. Dan. So we're just gonna wait.
She sang at karaoke. I was like, oi! I was like, competition for pop stars. Do you want to introduce yourself? Where are you from? What keeps you busy?
Hi everyone, my name is Faith. So I'm on UA and I live in New Zealand. Yeah. My family's over here, I'm supporting me.
Do you sing at home? Do you sing in public? Are you
just sing at church.
at church? That's where I love to sing, definitely. So she's going to sing some Michael Jackson. Get ready for this. It's going to be a banger.
Oh yes.
I'm so proud I am the only one who is special in her life. The girl is mine. The girl is mine. I know she's mine because the girl is mine. Saying that she's lost my mind. Sending roses and no sending drinks. Really just a waste of time because she's mine. The girl is mine. Don't waste time. Don't forget it's mine. Don't waste your time. Don't forget it's mine. She's mine. She's mine. No, 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 she's mine. The girl is mine. The girl is mine. She's mine, mine, mine. Oh, the girl is mine. Yeah, she's mine. This is mine. Yeah. She told me that I'll her forever loving you, girl. Don't you remember? Oh my God, I just don't know how to do this. I don't believe it. The girl is mine. Oh, she's mine. The girl is mine. The girl is
How was it, Dave? How was it?
Loved it. Great song with two parts, singing both of them. Massive song, and a huge congratulations. Auditioning for our Pacific Pop Stars, heat number 3 is going to be Christian. Let's go! Alright, Christian. It's not that kind of competition. You go, la 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 la.
Excuse me.
On the cruise.
Hi, my name's Christian.
Hi, Christian.
I'm single.
Hey!
I'm here for my mom's senior birthday. Happy birthday! I was having a Scottish whiskey next door and I thought about the song that's about to come up. So, if you all know the words, please sing along. If you want to dance, come up and have a cake.
Just leave your drinks on the table.
Thanks.
Alright, here we go.
It's a marching song. So. Get your steps in, everyone. Get your steps in. Here we go. Can I have some clapping? Can I have some? When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who's waking up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. If I get drunk, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. If I get up, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's different to you. Here we go. I will walk like.
Hello, we're getting ready to go to, like, me and Jackson going to the blue room where the kids are, and I don't know where.
Tonight is Gatsby night, eh?
Yeah.
Jackson, do you want to get up and show your outfit? Wow. Cool, son. Indy, do you want to stand up? Woo!
Look at my high heels.
Wow. And I'll show you myself. This is me, got the $2 shot hat, the sheen bow tie, suspenders. That's pretty much my outfit.
Koe pōwhahi koe nei ha mautoro ne hae he pantry. O mai whoke mautoro ke kai whiwhia mo sipa o tū e ono kure tau e sipa e aho nei mōri nai mautoro. Ono kure tau, o e lahi ke mautoro tau whanau osi. O lahi e whiwhia he whenonga. O se kai mene su hipu ke lo whanongononga i a whewhika lolongo. Mai mea ke momohe, ako pongpongi kai oe ke atua e langi a kua. Pia na whalawhanoa mai ke tūru osi, ke ao, mo mene, mo mōto whanau, me to pongpuna. Kau e lahi.
Para, whiwhe sino.
Masino ue sino wa tōrehi de kai.
Bebe, whananga.
Morai whananga. Sandy, Stephanie, Christian, Oma, Lucy. Hau na kaya miss? Kaya. John and Hayden. Tokoa. O Peter ni hau. O se misi taui. Moha, ola he. Makona, taunapa, fia, tu sangat tausi. Orang folk yang motor atau apa faith, pretty the stage. She's got into the semi-finals. Yeah, so she go yang monai, so he forget.
Final lah you mati.
He kisi faith forget. Final eh monai. Ayah, yo gini kia. Leo kita kaya monai. Full Fia porque do just. Tá porque motor tá mani on o fure tá com cifra tá oi. O cacapi cheia. Tu o fuhane fenômeno porque o Fia longe cai, tu vai dizer mais dor. Coi ele hudi coi hawa coi pure na coi Fia política. Ali. Forma motor o curso na coi que tá gato tá rivo que pouco. Faosi foi pouco e muito como porque tu não topou foi longo então fruto tu é fawe aí agora que nem que uma fora fenômeno garinho que o cara na é monai o rio motor é por noite que o cara na pouco tu pôr por se rio que tá caindo eu que diga tu aqui a faga do meu han faga foi mais que tá todos foi na
Faith, yes, Faith, this is before your karaoke competition, eh?
Yeah.
Singing competition.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Nice. As long as you enjoy yourself.
What song are you gonna sing?
Can't take my eyes off you.
Oh, nice.
Sing Elvis Presley song.
Elvis Presley, am
How's it to have all the supporters?
It's really good. It's really helpful. I didn't think I would be in the final but my family because it's the loudest cheer wins. So my family came and they cheered in. Yeah, the numbers made up for it anyway.
Okay, good luck, Faith.
Thank you.
And Mr. David, hey, how you been, Mr.?
Good.
You ducky?
Yep. Happy birthday, Safa. Awesome day. Just kind to Eden for James, your family. Just happy birthday. God bless you. Yep.
She, fuck over. Makalova to Mako, we're in the Black Circus Arena waiting for Faith and Christian to perform. This is what the stage looks like. That's what the stage looks like. And this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like here. Just waiting now, it's 7:40. Kamata Paula Bolu. So yeah, we'll see. There's Faith here. Just waiting patiently. Alright, okay, we'll fill it here.
I'm going to leave this with you. Take it away.
just a mirror. Oh yeah! Talk about it, how you broke my heart. Absolutely beautiful.
Are a born performer. Do you do this on land or is this a We Just special?
In the garage, in the shower.
So this is the biggest audience you've...
Wow, this is a big audience.
Yeah. But you've come on board with your family.
Oh.
We're celebrating a special birthday, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my mom. She's turning 70 today. My cousin's turning his birthday today. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Don't forget your mom's birthday. It's really
mom's birthday. Very cool.
Alright. Well, let's hear what the judges thought. I thought it was amazing. Take it away. Does Mum have a name?
Let's go!
Faith is going to sing a song I love. I know you're going to love it. This is your microphone. This is your moment. Take it away.
Drum roll. Faith! And joining Faith, we have got Christian! And joining them in the top 3 is Olivia!
Congratulations to Faith, to Christian, to Olivia, and a big thank you to all of our other contestants. Thank you so much. You may now take your seats. Big round of applause. Faith, Christian, who does your family love more? Alright, okay, let's see if we can do this. So they all did a phenomenal job, but I do need you to cheer the loudest for the person that you want to be our Pacific Pop Stars finalist of this cruise. So, not used to my life having sound effects, but it's quite nice. Alright, give it up if you want Olivia to be your Pop Stars. It was an incredible performance. Give it up for Christian! Our winner, as voted by you, as helped by our judges for this cruise, is Faith! I think we should hear Faith sing one.
Whakalofa tu mākou, osi e whanonga, osi e tonga. We're back with Ariana and Jordan and Penga. Good trip? Awesome trip. Happy to be back. Good to be back. Good trip, Penga?
Yeah, good trip.
Happy to be back?
Kinda.
Yeah, long as line. This is the process you don't see, but yeah, long as line to get back. Just gonna get back and get our bags. Got to go through customs and make sure you don't bring anything, or make sure you declare everything. So yeah, we'll see you when we get off the boat. Okay, whakalofa tu mākou, we're out. We're just waiting for our ride. Whiwhilahi me eke ke liu mai ki Okalana. Maloloa mautolo, maloloa mga whauhaku, ei whai, ei pakia tau tamahaku mo mga whauhaku. So yeah, we're back in Auckland City, right on the wharf. Man, longa tau motaka ke pick up e tau tangata. So whiwhilahi au, whakoelahi. Hope you enjoyed this long boat cruise ki whanga. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Next probably overseas trip will be to Niue. But until then, whakoelahi.